everyone, I'm MyHomeware bathroom assistant. We are in peak renovation season right now, and many of you are shopping for bathroom fixtures for your new Sydney homes. I've noticed some customers making multiple trips between home and our showroom, coming back again and again because they've forgotten something each time. So today I'm sharing a complete bathroom checklist to help you get everything in one go. If you're planning a renovation, hit that like and save button so you can find this easily when you need it. Bathrooms are typically divided into three functional areas: the showers and bath area, the vanity area, and the toilet area. So first, let's talk about the shower and bath area. This includes both the shower zone and the bathtub zone. For the shower zone, we will need a shower screen, a shower set, shower mixer, plus accessories like a floor waste shelf or soap holder. For the bathtub zone, you will need the bathtub itself, bath waste, wall-mounted spout, and a mixer. On the nearby wall, you will typically install towel rails and rope hooks. Remember this, you don't need to have both a shower and a bathtub. You can have just one or the other, depending on your space and the preference. The second essential area is the vanity. This area centers around your basin unit, which typically include a vanity cabinet, a countertop with basin. You can choose an easy-to-clean integrated below counter basin or go for a stylish stone countertop paired with an above-counter basin. You can mix and match according to your taste. You will also need a basin mixer, which can be deck-mounted or wall-mounted. Here is a critical reminder: don't forget the pop-up waste for your basin. I've had several customers make extra trips because they forgot this item and the plumber couldn't complete the installation. Very frustrating. Above the vanity, you will want a mirror. This could be a standard mirror, LED mirror, shaving cabinet, or LED shaving cabinet. On the side wall, install a towel ring for your hand drying. And don't forget, you will also need a floor waste in this area. So finally, a permanent section in every bathroom, the toilet area. The essentials here are the toilet and a toilet paper holder. Popular add-on includes a bidet spray and smart toilet seat. These are trending right now. Here is an important note. If you are choosing an in-wall toilet, remember you need three components: the toilet pan, the flush plate, and the in-wall cistern. If you found this checklist helpful, please like and save. I hope this makes your bathroom shopping stress-free, and you can pick up a free printed copy of this checklist at MyHomeware Sydney showroom, or message me to get the digital version. What other bathroom products would you like to know regarding your Aussie renovation? Let me know in the comments below.